Hi, welcome to Prognozy Capital. Today we will understand the FII market open positions. Let's understand how FII made positions on 10th of October 2023. Once you learn how to decode the FII positions, you will able to predict the market moves. So let's get started. Index performance. Nifty closed positive at 19,689.85. Up 177.5. Long build-up seen with OI 34 contracts. Banknifty closed positive at 44,360.15, up 473.65. Short covering seen with OI minus 10,300.2 contracts. Index option buildups. Nifty option buildups. October 12, 2023 expiry. Nifty resistance or call OI buildup at 20,000, OI up 17.39%. Nifty support or put OI buildup at 19,600, OI up 295.10%. Nifty intraday option buildups. New call writers shifted up at 20,100 from 20,000. New put writers shifted same at 19,600 from 19,600. New call writers shifted up suggest bullish setups. Bank Nifty option buildups. October 11, 2023 expiry. Bank Nifty resistance or call option OI buildup at 45,500, OI up 107.88%. Bank Nifty support or put option OI buildup at 44,200, OI up 457.19%. Bank Nifty intraday buildups. New call writers shifted up at 45,500 from 44,500. New put writers shifted up at 44,200 from 44,000. Both new writers moved on upside suggesting bullish setups. Cash market positions. FII today sold 1,005.49 CR. DII today bought 1,963.34 CR in cash market. FII futures and option cash positions. FII bought 303.26 CR in index futures. Also sold 3,626.90 CR in index option. They bought 4,343.4 CR in stocks futures. And bought 79.25 CR in stocks option. Total net bought 1,099 CR in F&O market. FII index futures positions, long and shorts. In index futures FII closed 2,711 long contracts and closed 4,856 short contracts. With this FII is now net short in index with minus 85,674 contracts compared to previous minus 87,819 contracts. FII stocks futures positions, long and shorts. In stocks futures, FII added 12,361 long contracts and closed 37,485 short contracts. With this FII is now net short in stocks with minus 159,713 contracts compared to previous minus 209,559 contracts. FII index option positions, long and shorts. Index options, upside direction. In index options FII closed 151,352 call long and added 233,546 put shorts. Total call long and put shorts for the day comes to 82,194 contracts. Index options, downside direction. In index options FII added 27,276 put long and closed 58,571 call shorts. Total put long and call shorts for the day comes to minus 31,295 contracts. FII index option analysis. FII net put long is 206,139 contracts compared to previous 412,409 contracts. And net call long is 148,621 contracts compared to previous 241,402 contracts. Option buildups on short side is less than long side suggests that downside is limited. This is how FII created their position in various segments. Check out our market snapshot sheet for detailed position buildups by FII, DII, pros and clients. To get the FII data on daily basis, please join our Telegram channel, search for Prognozy Capital in Telegram. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates on FII data. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and please like us and share. Thanks for watching.